Hello, I'm creating this video to create a PGP pair, that is a private and public key pair, and for this I'm using Cleopatra. And here you can see this is a new key pair which is written here. I will click on this new key pair, and then there is my name. I will enter my email address here. That is my Fleming College email address, and I have to protect it with the passphrase, so I will click here, and I'm correcting my email ID. And in the advanced settings, I am changing the RSA to 4096 bits. It is done to ensure more privacy and protection. And here you can see the certification usage, that is signing, and validity, that is the date. We can decide that until when we want to save this key. So here I'm not changing anything because I do not need it after this. So it's fine. And after this has been done, I will create the key has been created. Now I am using a passphrase. This should be secret to you only, and I'm putting a passphrase here. I've created it. It may just take several minutes. So once this is created, we'll move on to the next section. It's taking a little time, but after we see, it's created now, and this is the fingerprint that is being shown here. So I'm clicking OK. This is my key. So first thing that we have to do is we have to see that this is certified, and we can see it's valid from 11th March to valid till 12 midnight today. So this is the key ID. Now I will right click on this, and when I'm selecting it, it will turn blue. And then I am using the export section here, and I will export it and save it to a place. So here you can see it's desktop cybersecurity. This is the folder I'm using, and I will save it uh, as public key. And now it's exported. Second thing that I have to use do here is to create a backup secret key also. So this is the backup secret key that I'm creating. This is, you can see it's written as secret. So this also I'm going to create here with the and it is asking for a passphrase, so I am using my password here that I used. Now it has been created. The backup of the secret key was created successfully. Here, this is done. Now I have to create a revocation certificate. So I will click on it and go to details section. Here you can use this. See, this is my key, and now I am generating a revocation certificate for this. So when I click on this, this shows this revocation certificate here, and now I will save it here. This is again asking for a passcode, passphrase, and I am putting that. Once this is done, we can see that it has been successfully created. So you can see, to prevent any accidental import of the revocation, it is required to manually edit the certificate before it can be imported. So this is the main function of revocation certificate. So after this is done, we can close it, and to see how does it look like, this is this place where I had created these keys. So this is my public key that I am highlighting here, created at 11:35. This is the secret key that I've created here at 11:35 again. So to check the revocation certificate, I will show you that later. This is the revocation certificate, 11:36, 23:36. So to show how my key looks like. This is my public key, and if I open it with my notepad, it looks like this. It's a text file. It starts with begin PGP. It's like begin public PGP block, and it ends also with this. So this is how it is done, and the private key, the secret key, is also a notepad file. It's also a text file. You can see it shows like this. So now in this video is to share only the creation of a public key, and now I will go to this next section and I will show how we can share it with a friend and encrypt and decrypt a text message. So for that I'm creating a next video. Thank you.